Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Marcel here at Tyger Auto, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to install our overlanding roof system on top of a Jeep Gladiator. Now this rack features heavy-duty carbon steel construction along with high-quality aluminum rails to allow you to carry up to 600 pounds of payload out on the trail. Another neat feature about this rack is the acrylic color panels that could be color matched to match your vehicle's color code. That's something that we're going to show you guys right now, but first, let's make sure that we look at the instructions to make sure that all of the parts and hardware are accounted for, and also to view our torque values that are listed in the instructions. Installation is very easy as it requires no drilling, so let's get right into it. First, take off the front panel piece and install this rubber seal along the edge, which does a great job at noise reduction and protects the roof as well. Make sure that you trim off any excess that might be left over. If you plan on changing the accent color to match your vehicle, flip over the front plate and uninstall the 3 acrylic color plates. Have them painted and screw them back on after, but don't worry, we'll show you guys how to paint the color plates near the end of the video. After that, assemble the 4 main panels together, starting with attaching the side panels to the front, then attach the rear panel to finish it off. On to bracket installation. First, follow the manual and sort the bracket hardware into 2 groups, 2 sets for the front and 4 sets for the center and rear location. Then apply the rubber pad to the standoff bracket and attach the mounting hardware. Go ahead and install the bracket assemblies to the rack without tightening the hardware. Now go ahead and install the crossbar. If needed, shift the crossbars either all the way to the front or all the way to the back to help reduce any noise. With assistance, take the rack assembly and place it on the roof and line up the brackets with the top of the drip rails. Shift the rack forward or back to make sure that the corner of the roof is 7 1/4 from the front of the first sets of brackets. Now go ahead and tighten the bracket hardware. Then install the clamp covers to each bracket location to secure it to the roof. Test out the doors to ensure that they clear the clamps and adjust the clamps as needed. As you perform the final adjustments, it's very important to do it correctly to prevent vibration and noises as you travel. First, level and align the roof so it sits straight and square to the roof. Then tighten all of the hardware except the bolts connecting to the front plate. Now, while keeping pressure on the front plate, firmly push the front plate down and in against the roof and the side panels so the rubber seal is compressed against the roof. Then go ahead and tighten these bolts here. After traveling 50 miles, examine each attachment point and make any adjustments or any retightening of the hardware that might be needed. Finish things off by installing the 4 handlebars to grab onto when you need to reach for payload. Last but not least, this rack also comes with optional accessories. If needed, install these eye bolts for your tie-down needs. Add these accessory brackets for extra real estate to mount light pods or other items. And now I'm going to show you how to paint these acrylic color plates that will spice up the look on the rack. Note that the color plates are already dyed in black on one side and are red on the other. We decided that we'd like to keep the black side, so let's paint over the red side. We have here the paint that we've matched to the color code of the vehicle, and we also have a type of paint adhesive to prime to the acrylic surface. You can get both of these items at any local automotive paint supply store.